Hello, fourth grade, it's Ms. Trevino here. I wanted to do just a quick recap on how to navigate through our Google Classroom here in case you've forgotten or don't remember where to go find certain things. So first off, starting with our stream, my classroom is obviously named Ms. Trevino's fourth grade. Okay, and so when you first come in, the first thing that you're most likely going to see is this one post, okay? And this post has all the different times that I go live on Zoom. Okay, so all you do is you click on the link and then you put in that password, okay? So I go live at 9, at 12:30, and at 3. Okay, and then if you ever do need help in between there, just let me know and I can try and we can try and get on, okay? Next, I want to come over here to classwork. I rarely post in here, so we're mostly looking at resources. So you're going to come to class drive folder. Okay, then from here, let's go over math resources. I know right now y'all are going over word problems. So I put in a multiplication chart. Okay, so this you can use for your multiplication chart to help you with multiplication. And then I also put in a hundreds chart. Okay. So use those resources. I also put in, this is a big one, it's keywords for math problems. So this is going to really help you break down your problems and it lets you know which operation you need to use. Okay, so addition, it has all those keywords that'll go through it for it. Subtraction as well. Multiplication and division. Okay, so this is going to be really big. I want you to really use this whenever you're working on word problems. Okay. And then you also have some ELAR resources. I put in some graphic organizers for you to use. Okay, so for brainstorming, you have those graphic organizers. And then I went over this last time, and this is all about sentence structure and what makes a complete sentence. Okay, so that's all found in our class drive folder. So this was just a quick little reminder just to help you find the different resources that are offered within this classroom. And remember that I'm always here for you, so if you do need extra help, just make sure you ask for it, and I'm more than willing to help you, okay? I'm here for you always. Let me know if you need anything.